Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we are going to talk about the role of DHCP. The DHCP is used for automatic IP address aggregation. As we all know, all hosts need an IP address for communication and internet access. But how do we get IP address? As we have mentioned in previous videos, there are two ways. Menu configurations for each host or automatic distribution use DHCP server on the company's internal network. Internal hosts can obtain their own IP address through server, which will reclaim address when the computer is shut down. It's important to note that DHCP does not necessarily need a standalone server. A network device like router or layer 3 switch can also act as DHCP server. Some may wonder when server is necessary. Generally, if there are more than 300 hosts within a company's network, a server should be considered. Otherwise, network device can serve as DHCP server for automatic IP address aggregation. It's important to set a fixed IP address for server. It cannot obtain up automatically. That's all. If you have any questions about this content, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. See you next time, everyone.